Fix Office installation error code 12002-4 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Network Troubleshooter. The Network Troubleshooter checks for problems with network adapters, network gateway availability, and improper IP configurations. Fix 2. Uninstall previous Office versions. Make sure that all of the leftover files are removed from your computer if Office was previously installed. Restart your system. Download the adequate version of MS Office and install it. If that didn't work, many Windows problems are frequently caused by corrupted system files. You may always use the dism and sfc commands from the elevated command prompt to fix them. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, fix 4. Turn off proxy settings and VPN. Proxies and VPNs can interfere with Office's ability to communicate with Microsoft's servers. Now try to run the installer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.